Hi there! If you want to turn off hardware acceleration on Discord, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you how you can turn off hardware acceleration on Discord. So let's dive right in. First, open Discord app and log into your Discord account. Then, at the bottom left corner, you will find your name and you will find a gear icon. Click on it and scroll a little down from here. Then you will find advanced option in app settings. Now click on advanced and from here you will find hardware acceleration. Simply click on this toggle button to turn off hardware acceleration. Click on OK to confirm. Here you can see now my hardware acceleration is turned off successfully. That's how you can turn off your hardware acceleration on Discord. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.